Welcome to Swami Vivekanand Subharti University, a university where education, culture, and modernity come together. Its motto is Education for All. And Subharti University has consistently met every standard of higher education. That is why the National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC) has awarded the university an accreditation rating of Grade A. Spread across 250 plus acres, the university has 18 colleges offering more than 220 courses. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Subharti Medical College, one of the finest medical colleges in the country. Along with MBBS, it offers MD, MS and PhD programs in all major medical specialties. Its affiliated Chhatrapati Shivaji Subharti Hospital has 1100 beds, super specialty services, ICUs and modern diagnostic facilities. Under expert doctors, students receive top-level medical training. Subharti Dental College, among the top-ranking dental colleges in India. Recognized by the Dental Council of India, it is one of the oldest dental colleges in Uttar Pradesh. Modern labs, a busy dental OPD and advanced equipment give students a strong clinical exposure. Panna Dhaima Nursing College, a leading name in nursing education. Students receive practical hospital exposure and international standard training. The college has maintained an excellent placement record for many years. Maharishi Aurobindo Subharti Institute of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, recognized by the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. It provides advanced training in naturopathy and yoga sciences, helping students specialize in ancient healing systems. Kharvel Subharti College of Pharmacy, known for modern pharmaceutical labs, research projects and strong placement opportunities. Jyotirao Phule Subharti College of Physiotherapy, established in 1999. It is a major institution in physiotherapy education. It also runs free OPD services. Its exercise therapy and electrotherapy labs are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Subharti Institute of Law offers moot courts, modern lecture halls, and a legal aid clinic. The institute has won several national moot court competitions and its students excel in judiciary and corporate law. Subharti Institute of Technology and Engineering. Students benefit from advanced labs, workshops, and innovation centers. Their projects in robotics, AI, and mechanical engineering have earned national recognition. Subharti College of Sciences. Well-equipped laboratories support advanced research in physics, chemistry, biotechnology, and environmental sciences. Subharti College of Education and Physical Education. Future teachers are trained using smart classrooms and modern pedagogy techniques. Students in physical education have won medals in national-level sport events. Subharti Institute of Management and Commerce follows a case study-based learning model. Industry tie-ups and placement drives provide a strong professional exposure. Bhikaji Kama Subharti Institute of Hotel Management offers practical kitchens, model restaurants, and training hotels. Students actively participate in national hospitality events. Subharti College of Fine Arts and Fashion Design, known for modern design studios, art galleries, and exhibitions. Students regularly showcase their talent in fashion shows and art events. Subharti College of Arts and Social Sciences, provides a strong academic and research exposure in humanities and social sciences. Students participate in conferences and research publications. Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi, Subharti Institute of Journalism and Mass Communication. Students train in a fully equipped TV studio, radio station, and media labs. Graduates from here work in major media houses. Subharti College of Library and Information Science offers training in modern information management, e-library systems, and research methodology. Samrat Ashok, Subharti School of Buddhist Studies, an international center for Buddhist education. Students from India and abroad study Buddhist history, philosophy, and literature in a peaceful environment. The school offers certificate courses, BA, MA, and PhD programs. Students from various Indian states and foreign countries enjoy excellent facilities on the Subharti campus. The Wi-Fi campus provides high-speed internet, 15 hostels offer comfortable accommodation, mess facilities are hygienic. 6 canteens provide a multi-cuisine menu. The university's dedicated security force ensures 24/7 safety, especially for female students. For convenience, there is a Punjab National Bank branch and multiple ATMs within the campus. Large playgrounds, modern sport facilities, and a gym are available for students. Subharti's auditoriums, especially the Mangalya Auditorium, with its huge capacity and advanced sound system, enhance the campus experience. We welcome you to become a part of Subharti University, a place where your journey begins and your future takes shape. Jai Hind.